welcome to today's episode. We are currently at the boat ramp. We are just getting the boat ready, about to launch it and about to head out for a spear and a bit of a dive. Hopefully we'll get something good for dinner. We have just got off the boat and Jarv has started filleting the fish. Got her all bagged up and ready to chuck her in the freezer. Another dinner sorted. Beauty. We have just gotten up and we are now getting ready for the bus to pick us up for our whale shark tour.
After arriving at the boat ramp, we were greeted by my cousin Spencer and a tender, who's currently working aboard the Ningaloo Blue whale shark boat.
After everyone had their wetsuits sorted, we headed out behind the reef for a morning snorkel to start the day.
We couldn't have asked for better conditions, with no wind and crystal clear water. We were now back on the boat and in search for a whale shark.
Minutes later, we were being told to put our gear back on as they'd found a shark and we were getting ready to jump in.
Jumping in the water!
The first swim was very chaotic and quick. We didn't get much footage, but there's a few clips of flippers in my face. But that was okay because the next drop was a lot better.
After a few swims, we moved on to our second shark of the day.
Before we could catch our breath from the previous dive, the skipper yells out that there is a hammerhead shark approaching fast, and if we want to swim with it, to get our gear on and jump in.
After swimming with the hammerhead, we moved on to our third and final whale shark of the day. After we finished swimming with the whale sharks, we jumped back on board for lunch before heading out in the afternoon for our final snorkel of the day. We hope you enjoyed that footage from our whale shark tour. We are so stoked that we finally got to swim with them after such a long time along the Ningaloo coast and then having to go home. So we're happy that we were able to swim with them before the season ended. To finish this episode, we are exploring Cape Range National Park. So we're going through some of the beaches today. We're currently at Oyster Stacks to start with, and we're about to jump in for a bit of a snorkel. We finished up at Oyster Stacks and made our way to Turquoise Bay and jumped in here for a bit of a swim as well.
Yeah, the water's definitely not living up to the name. It wasn't turquoise today. There's a fair bit of swell and wind, so there's a bit of sand getting pushed in there.
Yeah, the visibility wasn't too good.
No, but we still had a bit of a swim, so we'll show you those clips now. And we've got one more place to see after this before the end of the video.
We are at our final stop of the day, which is this super cool dune spot just out of Exmouth town.
And we're going to end the video here. We'll see you next Sunday for the next video. Bye.
Bye.